I'm Zaid Bin Shakir.
And I am Shakir. Welcome to our channel
Angels Click.
Friends, today's Zaid will educate you on some basic and time-saving Windows keyboard shortcut. Welcome to our first video in this series. Before we proceed on, you are requested to please subscribe to Angels Click and smash the bell icon for more such videos. Let's get started.
Friends, in this tech-savvy era, every second person has his hands on devices like PC, mobile, tablets, etc. Recently, the use of these devices has grown exponentially because due to COVID, a vast majority of working class operates remotely from home using these devices offered by ICT. However, the use of these devices can be challenging sometimes when it comes to management of huge projects and that too in short timelines. So, to tackle this problem, I am here with some helpful and time-saving keyboard shortcuts for Windows. Without wasting any time, let's discuss them one by one. Friends, the first keyboard shortcut is to select all files in a folder. For example, I have opened a folder and these are some files. If I want to select them all, I will simply press Ctrl and A simultaneously and it will select all files. Now if I want to copy a file, I will select that file and simply press Ctrl and C at a time and it will copy that file to clipboard. Now if I want to paste the copied file, I will go to the desired location and press Ctrl and V at a time. See, here is the file. If I want to cut a file, I will select that file and press Ctrl and X together and it will cut that file. Now if I want to paste that file, I will go to the desired location and again press Ctrl and V together. Friends, the difference between copy and cut is that when you copy a file, it will make a duplicate of that file in another location. But when you cut a file, it will remove that file and shift it to another location permanently. Suppose I delete this file mistakenly and want to recover it. I will simply press Ctrl and Z together and see the file is back in the folder. Now if I want to undo the last action, I will press Ctrl and Y together and see the file is again deleted. To delete a file, I will select that file and press Del or Delete key. And the file will go to recycle bin. See, the file is here. But if I want to permanently delete a file, I will select that file and press Shift plus Del key. And see, the file is not in the recycle bin, which means it is deleted permanently. And last but not the least shortcut in this video is to create a new folder by just clicking Ctrl, Shift and N key at a time. See, the folder is created and you can rename it as you want like. Friends, that's all for today.
Hope you enjoyed the video. If you found it interesting and informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends on Facebook, WhatsApp and Twitter. And don't forget to subscribe to Angels Click and smash the bell icon for more such videos. See you very soon in another interesting episode of Tech Corner. Thanks for watching.